Assalamu alaikum students. This is second year model paper of second year और इसमें हम पहले MCQs को discuss करेंगे. So this section consists of 17 part questions and all will be awarded the same mark, that is 1 mark for each. The correct answer bubble must be filled on a OMR sheet. For example, अगर किसी का आंसर B सही है तो आपको इस OMR शीट पर B को अपने बॉल पेन से सही से फिल करना होगा कि उसमें कहीं कोई एम्प्टी स्पेस भी ना रहे और बाहर भी ना निकले. तो देखिए इस तरह जैसे मैंने बी को फिल कर दिया, तो इसी तरीके से आपको अपनी पूरी आंसर शीट को जो भी बबल ओएमआर शीट मिलेगी उसको फिल करना होगा. तो उसके लिए हमारे बहुत सारे दोस्तों ने वीडियोस बनाई भी हैं, आप यूट्यूब पे वो भी सर्च कर सकते हैं. तो ये इसका तरीक़ाकार है. अब आ जाइए क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर. द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ ग्रुप 5. तो देखिए ग्रुप 5 के जो एलिमेंट्स है, इट मींस दे हैव 5 electrons in their valence shell. So if they have 5 electrons in their valence shell, so they are willing to complete their octet. Usually it happens. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 ये मैंने एक ज्यादा बना दिया है. अब सही है. तो 1 2 3 4 5. Now they can either accept the 3 electrons and they become -3 ion, or they may give all of the 4 electrons, so they may form +5 ions. बट यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें तो हमारे पास ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पर ये +3 का भी एक ऑप्शन है. तो ये भी पॉसिबल है कि समटाइम्स इनकी ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +3 भी हो, जैसे कि फॉस्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड. यहाँ पे फॉस्फोरस जो है 3+ ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में, क्योंकि इसके साथ जो other species here, it is highly electronegative, so the oxidation state of phosphorus is +3, and phosphorus belongs to group 5. But this phosphorus in case of pH 3, it is -3 oxidation state, because with non-metals hydrogen is +1, so definitely it would be -3. So the correct option is C. Which of the following S block elements form superoxide when burned in air? So lithium normally form normal oxides, sodium form peroxides, and potassium form potassium rubidium. They form superoxide. Superoxide means which are having oxidation state -2, anywhere uh, -2 nahi, I'm sorry, oxidation state of oxygen is -12. In equilibrium of dichromate ion, the color of chromate, this is chromate, is now they are asking in the equilibrium. So in equilibrium, it is orange in color. So see here, this is the dichromate ion Cr2O7, 2-, and there is an equilibrium with CrO4, 2- ion. If there is an acid, then an equilibrium develops, and there is some water. So 2 is here. This is red in color. This is yellow in color. But there would be an equilibrium, then there would be the combination of red and yellow, that is orange. Now question number 4. The coordination number of cobalt in this compound is, it looks 3, but it is not 3 because oxalate, this is oxalate, and oxalate is a bidentate ligand. So bidentate ligand can provide 2 electron pairs. So 3 to the 6. It should be 6. So the correct answer is C. The knocking of internal combustion engine can be reduced by the following petroleum processes. So it is reforming, because in reforming we convert the straight chain compound into the branch chain, while the refining is the simple fractional distillation process. Now the next question is, how many optical isomers are possible for this compound? If you draw its proper structure, then you will find that there are 2 stereo centers, and these stereo centers are here. So this one and this one, अगर मैं इसका कंप्लीट स्ट्रक्चर बनाऊं तो यहाँ पर ये आ जाएगा कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, CO2H भी लिख सकते हैं इसको हम, CO2H. One is hydrogen, another is bromine. Here one is OH, another is H. So these are the 2 stereo center. तो नंबर ऑफ ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर्स को फाइंड करने के लिए हमारे पास जो फार्मूला होता है वो है 2 raised to power n. What is n? N is the number of stereo centers. So stereo centers are 2. So 2 raised to power 2 would be 4. So the correct option is C. Which of the following pairs of compounds represent the functional group isomers? Functional group isomers means they have the different functional groups. Although 1-butene and 2-butene are isomers, but they have the same functional group, that is alkene. Butane and isobutane are also isomer, but both of them are alkane. There is no difference in the functional group. Ethanol and dimethyl ether. C. Ethanol and dimethyl ether have same formula but different functional group. This is ether and this is alcohol. So it should be the correct answer. Diethyl ketone and methyl propyl ketone. In both of them, they have the same functional group. Although they are isomers, but they have no difference in their functional group. So the correct option is B only. Benzene burns with a smoky flame because of its high carbon percentage. क्यों carbon percentage ज़्यादा है, तो जब combustion process होगा, there would be more carbon. So the carbon particles remains there, which give the black or the smoky flame. Question number 9. The kinetics of elimination by molecular reaction. Elimination by molecular reaction, अगर हम इसकी rate equation लिखें तो वो इस तरह से आएगी कि rate is equal to chemical rate constant and substrate and base. तो फिर अगर इस तरह से देखें तो दोनों के ऊपर पावर 1 1 है, तो फिर ये हो गया सेकेंड ऑर्डर. तो फिर इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो गया सी. C is the correct option. So the kinetics of elimination by molecular reaction is second order. Lucas reagent is zinc chloride and HCl, and actually it is the concentrated HCl. ये भी याद रख लीजिएगा आप कि concentrated HCl यूज होता है. तो डी का आंसर 10 का आंसर भी सी है. Clemenson reduction is the conversion of aldehyde and ketones into an alkanes. अच्छा, क्लेमेंसन की तरह से ही वुल्फ-किज़नर रिएक्शन जो है वो भी एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन्स को अल्केन में कन्वर्ट करता है. ये भी याद रख लीजिएगा साथ साथ आप लोग. 12. Formic acid is naturally found in bees sting, and it should be sting, and also in ants. So remember both the answers, but from these options, correct one is the B. The example of quaternary structure of protein is hemoglobin. Myoglobin is the tertiary stage of the protein. Albumin and globulin are also. Most of the albumin and globulins are tertiary proteins. So the correct option is B. Drugs that lower the body temperature to the normal are known as antipyretic. Pyresis जो है बुखार को कहते हैं, तो antipyretic which lower the body temperature. Antibiotics are the drugs which work against bacteria. याद रखिएगा कि फंजाई या दूसरे जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स के अगेंस्ट में जो ड्रग्स होती हैं उनको एंटीबायोटिक नहीं कहते हैं. फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री में और मेडिकल साइंस में एंटीबायोटिक्स आर दोज ड्रग्स और मेडिसिन्स which work against the bacteria. So the correct option is B, antipyretic. While anti-allergic and antihistamines are almost same, they work against allergic reactions. Okay, now question number 15. An example of thermosetting plastic is D, that is backlight. आपको मालूम है कि there are two types of plastic, thermosetting plastic and the thermoplastic. थर्मोप्लास्टिक को रीमोल्ड किया जा सकता है आफ्टर हीटिंग, लेकिन थर्मोसेटिंग को रीमोल्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं. जबकि ये तीनों जो हैं थर्मोप्लास्टिक हैं, जबकि बैकलाइट जो है थर्मोसेटिंग प्लास्टिक है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. The region of the atmosphere which extends from 11 kilometer to 50 kilometer from the earth is known as stratosphere. ओजोन इसी रीजन में मौजूद है. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी. Infrared spectroscopy is a technique used to determine double or triple bond. No, this is by UV visible spectroscopy. Mass to charge ratio is the mass spectrometry. Functional group, yes, it is the correct answer. Conjugate system can also be determined by UV system, as well as some clues are obtained from other techniques as well.